Kids are annoying. You question my manliness there. Couldn't imagine an Italian person who cares about that trash. Chinese people love IKEA. Welcome to the channel. Tonight, we're going to IKEA. We're going to have a little look at what IKEA has, by which I mean probably a long look because she loves IKEA. IKEAs are pretty massive in China usually. We just got like things set up in here. People chilling out on sofas and stuff. People shouting as usual. When in Rome, do as the Chinese do. When in Rome, do as the Chinese do.
No, we're not, no.
We are doing as the Chinese are doing though. Right there. Doing as the Chinese are doing. Everyone's just chilling on these couches. £3. You can actually just try the beds in IKEA. I want that one. Let's do it. We're going for it. I'm going for this one. Oh, this bedroom's so nice. Let's go. Yeah, it's pretty comfy. You can buy sharks, lions and stuff. Very nice. How much is this? Oh, £5. Getting out of the kids area because I know I'm a teacher, but kids are annoying. It's too late for coffee. I'm hungry as hell. 80 pence. And it's like unlimited drinks. I don't know what that is. Oh, Kung Pao chicken and rice. Chicken wings. Ooh, I might get chicken wing. I got the last chicken wing in the whole shop. That wing took us about 10 seconds. I'm starving. Check out this place. I can't remember. It's been so long since I went to IKEA in the UK. I don't know if we have, like, you know, this. Do we even have food in IKEA back in the UK? If you know, tell us in the comments, because I just can't remember. And you could subscribe if you wanted. £4. This is like a tenner. To be honest, I'm just a tight ass. That's just because I know I can get it so much cheaper on the internet here. Sanshifenjong, that's 30 minutes. I think this place closes in 30 minutes. I've got a Stein. Is it too big for us? No, that's it. You question my manliness there. No, my Stein is not too big for us actually. I'm more than fine with it. I'm using my straw. My manliness, my abilities to use that extra large glass.
Is this how sensitive like guys get after 30?
Shut up. But maybe. Pillows, how much is a pillow? A tenner. Gambals. I'll spend a tenner on no pillow here in China. £3 for a tea towel. No, that's a tea towel. That was it. I'm going back. Bathroom mat. Well, yeah. Alright, fine. What's this thing? Some things in this shop are pretty darn cheap, and then some are just like, I think they just make the prices up as they go. We'll just make it up. To be honest, I only need to endure 30 more minutes because it's closing. We are buying a light though. £2.50 for a lamp. We've been walking for most of this time now. How long have we been here for? £1.50 for a clock. We've been here, it must have been at least half an hour just walking. See that there? 1 kwai for an ice cream. That's 10 or 11 pence, depending on the exchange rate. I have tried one before, and it is obviously the most processed trash you could imagine. Couldn't imagine an Italian person trying one of those ice creams. Probably just like scream. Oh yeah, I want some plants. I haven't got room to carry them on the bike, and it's going to be a long journey home, to be honest. I want more. I watered it a couple of times. We're at the self-checkout. They've got like 5 members of staff working to help people. But I don't get it. If you're going to employ that many people to work the self-checkout, why not just have a regular checkout? To be honest, I don't get self-checkouts anyways, to be honest. Why did I say to be honest twice in that sentence? To be honest, this is a nightmare for me right now. I'm being super healthy. And I got all these chocolates and things. Look at all this. I don't know what that's about. Ugh, cereal bars. Who cares about that trash? I guess they sell like fish and stuff in IKEA too. Meatballs? Are they meatballs? I think they're meatballs. Mashed potato, biscuits and stuff. Smiley faces, no way. Philby, they got smiley faces here. Oh, what's that? Steak. Prawns. Oh, whoa, gooey chocolate cake and everything. I'm on a diet. Let's get out of here, come on. Right, we're done with IKEA. She's bought lots of nice food that I can't eat. Quid each. That's not that much of a deal. To be fair, that's not that great. Because in the UK, we have biscuits upon biscuits. Like, they cost next to nothing. Anyways, done with IKEA now. I hope you have all enjoyed seeing what an IKEA in China looks like.
I like IKEA.
Chinese people love IKEA.
Here's ice cream for like 10 pence.
Ice cream for 10 pence. Let's see if we can get home alive. The journey here was kind of perilous. The amount of times Nelly got wiped out off that bike was insane. She's just walking like on the road. Instead of the path, the perfectly good path that's right there.